Hi everyone, today I'm going to practice search key function in the linked list and the single linked list, and I will find the key and I will move this node which contains this key to the front of the list. The key we're going to search, it's key equals 12. Let's write the procedure and track how it will be achieved. First we have to create two pointers. Previous pointer contains nothing, and temporary pointer which will assign to the head. Okay, let's create two pointers. We will traverse our list until temp is not equal null pointer. We will move both pointers forward. Prev equals temp. I will show how to do that. And temp equals next. And inside will be our statement that we are looking for. We will traverse until temp data equals our key, and when we found that, we will have to relink our node. So we are searching the key 12. We're starting from the beginning. We will traverse our temp. At first we have to move previous equals temp. Previous, we will move previous to the same point to the same thing as temp, and temp equals temp next. Temp right now contains 200. We will point it to the next node. It will contain 210. Let's go to the beginning of this loop. If key is 12 equals temp data is 12. Yes, it's equals. That means that we found our node, and now we have to relink it and move it to the front. At first we have to relink our prev next to the temp next. Temp next now it's 210. But it should contain 270 when it's temp next. We will point this previous node to this address. It means now previous will not contain 200, it will contain 270. And temp next, we will point to the beginning of the list. We will point here. Temp no longer will contain 210, it will contain 200. That's the logic. Now this node is first, this is second, and this is third. What do we have to do here inside our if statement? At first we have to relink our previous next to the temp next. So this line is this link. Previous next we will link here. Now it contains the address of this last node. Our temp next we will assign to the beginning to the first node. So head equals temp. That's the logic. Let's write our code in the program and see how it will be, and compile and run. Here in my code I'm using template. Temp will assign it with the head. The second pointer, previous pointer, we will assign it to the null pointer. We will traverse while temp is not equal null pointer, and we will move both pointers inside of this while loop. If we found our key in temp data, we want to relink our node and move it to the beginning of our list. How to relink it? At first we have to relink prev next equals temp next, and our temp next, another side of our node, we will move to the head. Head equals temp, and in this example we have to return the pointer, so that's why we have to return just head, the beginning of our list. Let's see this in action. We have our list which contains 5, 30, 20, 10. We will search the key value 30, and we will move. Now it's now on the second position in the list, and we will search for it and we will move it at the front of the list. Let's compile our code. Everything's fine, and let's run it. Okay, what do we have here? Here we have our original list, which starts from 5. After that we return and print our result, which is a key that we were looking for, and after we print again our list with a new node at the beginning.